This bad boy is going to make a huge difference for us on this final deck. This is a stand-up drill for the screws. So the screws get loaded into the side here like a clip, and we get to stand up and pop screws in the whole deck from above. So we get to set all these sheets of plywood just rough by tacking the corners. And then once all the sheets are down, we can snap out our lines to see where all of the joists are. And then we get to do them in like 10 minutes instead of like 2 hours. These are the fasteners. Put them in these long clips. And tuck them in from the top here.